Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. ChopperFett here. Hope you guys are having a good Wednesday. I know I surely am, because it actually is Wednesday when I'm recording this. Oh, let's go ahead and roll that intro and we'll get to today's subject of I don't want to go home. Roll it. Alright, welcome back to the channel, ChopperFett family. Got another windy day here in good old Kansas, but it's not terrible. I'm guessing 15 to 20 today. Guessing, I don't know for sure. I think I can make it. You're not going. Yep, let's go, 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 go. Even in the quarantine, they don't see us. Anywho, so today's subject, I don't want to go home. This isn't I don't want to ever go home. This is I'm having too much fun out riding today. I figure, hey, I'll turn on the GoPro and let's chat it up. I've been riding here for quite a bit today already, and I'm a little sore just because I haven't actually had a break yet, but I don't want it to end, because I know the second I actually take my break, which will be at home, my ride is over, which that's okay, because that's when parenting kicks in, homely duties kick in, and being that proverbial good husband. Oh goodness. But no, it's I've said it before, I'll say it again, it stays true. I wouldn't change the family aspect and those obligations and duties for the world. Motorcycling is second in my life compared to all that. Maybe not as fun all the time, but you can only watch Frozen and Frozen 2 so many times before you start to go insane. So I'm going to be very curious how the audio in this particular vlog sounds, because it is quite windy today and it's quite piercing on my ears. I guess I could have closed that chin a bit, but I really don't notice a heck of a lot of difference with that open or closed as far as the overall sound. I guess I should shift, that would help the noise. But now you don't get too many days like this where you get out of work, the wife has gone to pick up the kid and run an errand with him, and you just have about an hour of free time to yourself. So instead of going home after 40 minutes, I figured I would detour myself for an extra 20. What? And just continue this peaceful relaxation. I really don't know how peaceful this is. Getting pushed all around right into this headwind right now. This truck will be fun. He threw a rock at me and it hurt. So I guess that brings us kind of to the subject of, I have a feeling 99% of us are going to say the same thing. Who likes to take the road less traveled? Assuming that traveled road is paved. That is one thing about living in small town USA that I like. Well, one, I don't really live totally small town USA. I live in an outskirt of Kansas City, but I live far enough away that we are about the last southernmost town out there. So that's kind of nice, because we don't get the hubbub of the city. We get more of the country life. Now, don't get me wrong, it's not country life like this that you're seeing right now. It's suburbia that I live in. But to get to roads like this are less than 5 minutes from my house. In 5 minutes, I'm hitting up a country back road, ripping up 55, 60 miles per hour and just cruising. God, it doesn't get much better than that. It'd get better if we didn't have a gravel truck in front of us up ahead, but you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm not afraid to ride on the highway. You saw a few weeks ago I was running late back from work and I hopped on the highway. It's not a big deal to actually do highway riding. I've gotten accustomed to it over the last couple of years, where if I have to get on there, I have to get on there. It's like driving a car. You build up that skill, you build up that confidence to get on there, and you just do it, right? But man, if I can and I got the time to do it, I'm taking frickin' country roads as much as I can. Hey, buddy. And that's just I think this guy's doing the same thing I've been doing. He probably went to work and he could have taken I-35 all the way back home, but country roads, if you just want to sit back and relax instead of looking out for some deer, it's the way to go, I'm telling you. Now, after I did ride my wife's Sporty the other day on that test ride video, I really think I could get used to some city driving and some city riding. That thing is so maneuverable. You just go pew, 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 all over the place. It was so fun. I need to get back on that bike again. I did tell her I would try to ride it about once every 3 or 4 rides that I go on, just since she's not able to ride it this year. That way I can make sure everything stays fresh, the oil doesn't go stale, the gas doesn't go bad, all that jizzazz. Well, let's go ahead and post some comments down below, guys. What kind of roads do you prefer? Do you prefer the highway driving, put the miles down and trying to get somewhere fast, or do you like to slow the roll down, go with the 55 to 60 and just get there when you get there? I think each one has its own sort of place. You can kind of even my friend from Singapore, Dyna, check out his channel. He had mentioned, would you rather ride or fly to a destination? And it kind of all depends on, well, what's your time frame? If your time frame is going to be, I want to do like 3 or 4 things there and I need to get there quick, then maybe flying is best. But if you don't have an itinerary, you're just there to poke around and shoot the breeze, what have you, I think I would ride and take an extra couple days to get there. Just that sounds like heaven to me. And when I'm hopefully going to do a couple of my bucket list trips, I'm hoping that's how I can get to my destination, is doing some of these, country road rides, I guess. Alright, so I know kind of a short video here today, but go ahead and post if you're liking the channel. Post your comments below. I love hearing the feedback the channel has gotten so far. I thank you all for watching this today, and I'll catch you on the next dark side, as that is the way. Alright guys, we'll be seeing you. Stay safe. ChopperFett out.